In this next video, we're going to explain the magic link functionality. What we find is many users are presented with SaaS tools, and they all require passwords. These are hard to remember, and most users don't want to have to deal with another credential. So the tip tool allows you to register with the tool without having your password. You can skip setting your password altogether as you're setting up your account and directly access your portfolio without the need of any password through the magic link functionality using the security built into your email account. Just go to the tool login page, click on Trouble Logging In, enter your registered email address and click the magic link button. You will shortly receive an email like this on your registered email address. Open the email and click on the provided magic link. Because the magic link is sent to your registered email address and only has one-time use, and ensures that your tool access remains secure. Because it is one-time use, that means you have to request a new magic link every time you want to log into your tip account, without the need of a password. If you want to avoid that, you can instead log into the tool by setting your password and using that as your credential going forward.